Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have a special treat for you as we visit the northern region of Uganda. We are at Sacred Heart Secondary School in Gulu to witness firsthand the incredible impact of our enhanced science curriculum tools. Join us as we watch the students engage with these cutting-edge tools created by the amazing Fundi team. Let's explore how these innovations are changing science education and inspiring the next generation of scientists. Stay tuned for an exciting and educational journey.
My name is Collins Jeremiah Mawa. I am the regional supervisor for Fundi at school. The Enhanced Science Curriculum program is a Fundibots program where we support schools. And when I refer to schools, basically the students and the teachers with tools. Now, previously, learning science in Uganda and in many African countries has been theoretical. But through this program, we support schools with the toolkits and guides that they can use to be able to learn science in their classrooms. And we have implemented this program and we have seen a lot of impact. First of all, we have seen from the testimonies of the children, even the teachers, that the students are a little bit more active in class because these toolkits, involve this kind of active interaction. And we've also generally seen the schools that have been using these tools consistently, their results have improved. There's data to show that students are passing sciences much better. In secondary, we are covering a number of topics from Senior 1, Senior 2, and Senior 3. And in Senior 1, one of the topics of our interest for today was on effects of forces. And specifically, we're looking at gravity, we're looking at weight, and the relationship between gravity and weight. We had tools like the spring balance, standard masses, where learners were, made to measure the mass, and then also the weight, and basically calculate the relationship between the weight, and the gravity, the acceleration force of gravity. And then we also, in Senior 3, one of the topics that we look at is a subtopic is magnetism, where we basically look at different magnetic substances, and what we normally give is we have a magnetic kit which comes with bar magnets and some other equipment that children can be able to use and experiment magnetism. How does magnetic force, how do objects attract each other, and basically that.
So proud to be a Fundi girl in this school. As you've seen us here, all these are the members of Fundi girls, and all of us here were so proud to be members in this club. It has really motivated us in very many ways. Some of us were very, very dull, let me just say like that. But the moment we joined this club, we started to be very active. It gave us the confidence. As you've seen, this is the work of our hands. We have used the available materials. As you've seen here, it's polythene bags, plastic bottles, a tin of nomi, that in a community, these things are normally thrown away. And if you're to realize, these things really bring a lot of harm to the environment. But then we have used this to show that there is also the use of this waste. As you see, our teachers right now, they're really proud of us. Even the administration, they're really proud of us. Even I know you, the mentors yourself, you're really proud of us because you've seen this. I know you've not seen any of this in any other schools. It's only in Sacred Heart. It's just from the ideas that we came up with. As they said that if minds are brought up together, things come bigger. And as you see, that is it. Thank you for everything. And we just continue to pray for all of you that may the good Lord really bless you abundantly for everything that you provided. And you may share this to other schools and tell them that never to give up. Even though their friends really talk on them and demoralize them, they should never give up. They should stand up and be motivated that what they're doing is just to promote their talents, because these are talents. These are not things that just comes from nowhere. These are our talents. And if we just sit on them and we don't promote them up, who will come and then promote them for us? There is no one. So they have to get that confidence and get up and start motivating themselves in order for them to promote their talents. Thank you so much.